welcome to the vlog. Hope you like my new intro. If you do, make sure to comment. Comment below that you like it. Today, I gotta go work on my go-kart. Let's do that right now. I'll explain when we're there. Alright guys, so I made it to my go-kart. Yeah, it's right here. So this is the new muffler that I put on last night. Right here. It goes down, connects to the header. This is the old muffler. This one has nothing in it. So that means it's not doing a muffler job. And it was loud. Very loud. So, new muffler. I'm gonna start it up, and I want you guys to hear the noise. So, did you hear the, so the noise, if you heard it, it was like grinding, something like a chain loose or something in here. So this is the muffler, this is on the other side of the muffler. The muffler's kind of hot now, which is a bad thing. But, in here, silver thing. So I gotta take the muffler off to get into there, take this off. To get the muffler off, oh Jesus, I'm gonna need, actually, I'm gonna need this wrench. It's a ratchet wrench, or whatever you want to call it. And then I'll need another tool, but let's just get this off. So, I'm under my go-kart. I just need to undo these. And they just come off pretty easy. Oh, Jesus. Those are my glasses. Alright, so now they're off. Now I need another tool. Oh, geez. Now I'm going to need 3/8 drive ratchet with a .22mm metric it's a metric. And I just need a little extension. So this goes on to
Eventually.
Alright guys, I got it off. This is what it's looking like. Oh, Jesus, breaking my camera, everything. Okay. Alright, guys. This is what it's looking like. I'm not quite sure what this is supposed to do. But I was messing around and I turned this. It's good. So I don't know what's wrong, guys. So if any of y'all, I'm a country boy, y'all. If any of you guys out there know anything about go-karts, comment below. Tell me what the problem is. I had to replace that belt. That belt broke one time on there. It's hot outside. I'm tired. Hungry. Haven't had lunch. I'm going outside now. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. Comment below what you think of my new intro. Comment 1 or 2 if you made it this far. Today's word is lamp. Comment lamp if you watched all the way through the video to here. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching, liking, and subscribing. See you guys later. Bye-bye. No, I'm just kidding. Thank you guys for watching, liking, and subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.